EDaily Conversation.
I am so tired. It was a long week.
Finally, it is Friday night.
What should we do tonight?
I just want to rest.
Do you want to watch a movie?
Wow, that is a great idea.
I will make some popcorn.
I love salty popcorn.
Yuck! The bag is empty.
I will buy more later.
Let us pick a funny movie.
I like stories about love.
Aw, that is very sweet.
The sofa is very soft.
I am feeling sleepy.
Let us sleep very early.
Tomorrow is a big day.
The sun is up.
What time is it?
It is already 9 o'clock.
We slept very late.
Let us plan our Saturday.
Should we go hiking?
Yuck, the mountain is too far.
Haha, you are very lazy today.
Let us go to a cafe.
I need a big coffee.
They have very delicious cake.
Wow, I'm very hungry now.
Wait. Where's my wallet?
It is on the table.
Haha, thank you for finding it.
Let us leave the house.
The weather is very perfect.
I love the weekend.
Wow, this place is beautiful.
It smells like beans.
I want an iced latte.
I will get a hot tea. Look at that chocolate cake. Yuck! It is so big.
We can share one piece.
The taste is amazing.
This is very relaxing.
What is your Sunday plan?
I have no plans yet.
Let us visit the museum.
I love seeing art.
The museum is free tomorrow.
That is very lucky.
We can take many photos.
My camera is ready now.
You are always ready.
We need some snacks.
For our trip tomorrow?
Yes, for the museum.
Let us buy fruit.
Yuck, look at these strawberries.
Wow, they are very red.
They look very sweet indeed.
Let us buy 2 boxes.
We also need some water.
And maybe some cookies?
Chocolate cookies are best.
The store is very crowded.
Everyone is shopping now.
Let us pay very quickly.
I have the reusable bag.
Wow, you are very organized.
I try my best.
Let us go back home.
Today was very productive day. Whoa, the museum is huge.
Oh, look at that painting.
The colors are deep.
What does it mean?
It is modern art.
It looks like a cat.
You are right, Mike.
I like the old statues.
They are very tall.
This is very interesting.
I am learning many things.
Culture is good for us.
Are your feet tired?
Just a little bit.
Let us find a bench.
The hall is quiet.
I love this peaceful Sunday.
Me too, my dear.
The weekend is over.
Do not be sad.
Tomorrow is Monday morning.
Work will be fine.
We did so much.
We walked in the park. We ate delicious sweet cake. We saw beautiful, famous art.
My heart is full.
Let us rest now.
I am ready for work.
You are a strong person.
Is it 10 o'clock?
Time flies very fast.
Good night to you, my friend.
Good night, and see you soon. practice your English every day. You are doing great job.